Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I'm gonna be harvesting some kombucha squash, and this is what it looks like on the vine. So this is the kombucha squash, also known as the Japanese pumpkin. This is one of my favorite squash, very delicious, and I could keep it for up to 3, 4, or 5 months if done right. So last year I harvested this squash. It was a little bit shiny, so this year I left it on until it had that dull look that I'm looking for, more like a matte finish. So this is what it looks like. So this is the smaller one of the two. Oh man, yeah, this is a whopper right here, and this is the other one. This right here, good for soups, good for roasting. It's just a very, very, very delicious squash, aka Japanese pumpkin. If you've ever had sushi and you've had the tempura vegetable, more than likely you've had the kombucha squash. So that's that. Also, I want to give a very special shout out to Rakita, aka Sweets of Heaven, and this happened to be in my PO box, along with some other goodies, which I'm gonna reveal to you guys a little bit later. But I just want to give a shout out to Sweets of Heaven, aka Rakita, and oh wow, soursop seeds. Yes, what a blessing. 2025 soursop seeds. All right, guys, there you have it. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. And before I go, I want to give a special shout out to Susie Q. We out here doing it in the garden. All right, shout out Susie Q, another great member of the page family. You know, this is it. This is the harvest. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. Cali Bro J, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.